In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know how to close gaps cleanly in both solid and surface models, and how to control the quality of the blend so it matches the surrounding geometry. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360. Take a quick look around the area you want to repair so you understand whether you're dealing with a solid body or a surface. This matters because the command you'll use depends on the body type. If you're working with a solid, go to the Solid tab, open Modify and choose Fill. For surface models, switch to the Surface tab and select Patch. Both tools aim to close an opening, but they do it in a way that fits the type of geometry you're editing. When the dialog opens, you'll see options that help you define what gets filled and how it blends in. Next, make your selection. In the Solid Fill workflow, select the faces that contain the hole or the bad area you want to replace. Fusion will remove those faces and generate a new, continuous surface to patch the opening. In the Surface Patch workflow, click the open boundary edges. Fusion uses that edge loop to create a new surface patch. If the boundary is made up of multiple edges, make sure the selection follows the complete loop so Fusion can compute a watertight fill. If you accidentally select the wrong face or edge, simply deselect it and continue. Before committing, review the continuity options. You can keep a simple positional match or choose tangent for a smoother transition that aligns the slope of the new patch with the surrounding faces. If you need an even higher quality blend, select curvature continuity. This option aligns both the slope and the rate of change, producing a smoother, more seamless result across highlights and reflections. Curvature is ideal for visible surfaces and industrial design, while tangent is often sufficient for mechanical parts. Use the preview to gauge the difference and pick the lowest level of continuity that meets your quality needs. When everything looks right, click OK to complete the fill. Take a moment to orbit the model and confirm the patch integrates well with adjacent faces. If you want to try a different continuity level or boundary selection, simply undo and adjust your inputs. That's it. With Fill for solids and Patch for surfaces, you can quickly repair openings and control the smoothness of the transition for professional production-ready results.